Namaste. This video is the continuation of lesson plan. We have seen the science lesson plan. At the same time, the topic weather and climate can be used in social science also. We came across till the 21st century skill. 21st century skill, creativity, collaboration, technological skill, leadership, initiative, productivity. And next goes the assessment, specific, measurable, based on the experiments, step sequences, display, the completed projects, and experiments in classroom or laboratory. That about the assessment. That is based on the experiments and the assessment should be done, step sequences and display of the project and based on the experiments in the classroom or laboratory. As I am telling about this in the science is concerned, we have seen what about the general objective. We have seen that observe the physical and biological environment, look for any meaningful pattern and relations, make and use new tools and interact with nature. All this we have seen. So when we are taking into account the social science is concerned, the general objective may be having a difference. So that to provide social, cultural, analytical skills required to adjust to an increasingly independent world, to deal with the political and economic realities, to have a normative responsibilities. See that having a strong sense of human values, then to bring depth in knowledge, attitudes and skills and values necessary to bring a better world, that is the learning outcome. Then each stage learning outcome should be analyzed. So general objectives and learning outcomes will be different. And here regarding social science is concerned, regarding as the same topic is taken, you know that here the geographically how it is related, that is important regarding social science is concerned. When we say that about the instructional objective, observe familiar experiences, laws governing natural world, then the cognitive validity about weather and climate, then content validity conveys significant and correct scientific information. So here in the content validity, when it is social science is concerned, you have to write about which all places this climatic condition, which all places this type of weather condition. Like that you can make variations. Some changes you have to make regarding the content validity. Because that is in different way you are learning the weather and climate. Here technology is more important, scientific information is very important regarding science is concerned. That is the main difference, but both are interrelated and in actual life it is very important in the real life situation what we have learned earlier. Then yes, so here we have seen that yes, so this laboratory is concerned, the science is concerned. When we take in this, when climate and weather is concerned, we can see that it is both the science and social science. This experiment you can do outside the classroom or in your locality or in your town or in your neighborhood, wherever it is possible you can take that. But what you have to measure, that I will tell you. Then feedback and remedial teaching. Whenever you feel that some children didn't catch the points what we say, you have to do the remedial teaching. Then inclusive practices, children with special needs should be given more importance. Here they should be treated, they should also be given correct information, and we should give help to those children and understanding from the past experiences. When we say about the understanding from the past experiences, it is about the what we have observed. So recalling is written, this recalling, when we write about the recalling in the lesson plan, we used to write the previous knowledge. Here what the children have observed from the basis of observation, what they learned. Observation can ask the children to make a chart based on experiments or observation. And here you can see that yes, see what is the maximum, minimum temperatures, then rainfall, and maximum humidity and minimum humidity. And here you can see the temperature is measured in degrees Celsius and rainfall in millimeter and humidity in percentages. Then chart and graphs. So in real life situation, they are understanding what they have studied, they are applying, and they are understanding that this country is having cold climate, this state is having hot climate, like that. That is the thing. And what they have learned, they are analyzing, they are reaching to a concrete understanding. First they are getting an concrete learning, then after all they are reflecting, they are observing, and after all they are reaching a abstract learning. So from concrete to abstract, that is experiential learning. So understanding the importance of sun is, what is the size of the sun? Size of the sun is 139 million kilometer diameter, and it is 109 times of the earth. So you know that about 1 million kilometer only the diameter of earth. So you can see that how it is different, how much the sun, how much huge it is. And honesty, then global warming, importance of global warming, save earth, then honesty, objectivity, cooperation. Then preservation of environment, especially related to the SDGs. Then use direct sensory experiences for developing concepts like temperature. Sensory experiences. Yes, give opportunities to work with the peers during experiments. Opportunities to work with peers, especially with the CWS, and also they should be included. That is the most inclusive practices CBSE is always focusing. Relate the projects and experiments to real life experience. So the relate the projects and experiments to real life experience, and that is how we are done the observation. Allow the students to record classroom presentation and lectures or the text in audio format. So the students are recording it in the classroom, and whatever the presentation they have done in audio form or video form, and this should be this can be used in their portfolio. That is, best performance are used in the portfolio, and what they have done in the class, what they have done in science class, what they have done in social science observation, you know that this can be a portfolio for them. That is why it should be recorded. Then label the pictures within the textbook wherever possible. Then give the students time to finish step in the experiments, and wait. So you know that if some of them are lagging behind, give time and wait. Activity can be conducted through multi-sensory modes before explaining any theory and concept. Yes, this activity can be done in a multi-sensory mode. Auditory is in auditory form. They can, yes, our sense organs will appreciate, will comprehend, and it will absorb the things easily. That is why we are using the art education, art integration in our learning process and the project process. So auditory, olfactory through smell, especially in chemistry, in the using this mode. Then tactile, by touching, whether it is coarse or smooth, like tactile visual sources, understanding the thing. So because this will create a curiosity among the children, so activity can be conducted through multisensory modes before explaining any theory and concept. It will be more welcoming to the children. Children always want this type of, will always have a curiosity. We can maintain the curiosity and teach, so they will definitely, they will come up with the concepts even if it is something difficult to learn. So I hope you understood regarding this lesson plan, and whatever you can take from this and you can do. And some of them are drawing horizontal, some of them are drawing horizontal lines, some of them are vertical lines. That is up to you. Different type of lesson plans you can see. Some are vertical lines they are drawing, and on the top they will write the objectives or values, activity, assessment, like that. Or horizontally also you can draw, and that is up to you. That is autonomy to the teachers, what I mentioned in the first part of the lesson plan. Thank you all.